Hi guys and welcome to Capturka Prod, when polygons meet desire. My name is Hikko and today I'll show you how to create a simplified wheel rim for a car, in this case a retro style van. Wheels like this work well for optimized game ready vehicle, assets or for projects where a highly detailed car aren't really necessary. Let's create a circle with 32 vertices. If you don't know how to calculate the right numbers of vertices, we already have a video on our channel explaining the theory behind it. From here we simply build the geometry following the shape. We won't need any bolts holes here because the center will be covered with a cap. Now let's make the openings. This part is pretty simple. Press K, hold Shift and place a vertex right in the center of the face. Then create some additional geometry and delete the faces we don't need. Now let's give the rim some depth. Copy part of the geometry and use it to build the volume, connecting everything where needed. Now all that's left is to separate our finished piece of geometry and use a spin tool to create the full rim. Add shade smooth and subdivision surface modifier. Then add a bevel for cleaner looking edges. Adjust the values and find the right angle so it doesn't affect our openings. As a bonus, you can create an outer hubcap or use this shape as the main design of the rim instead. I hope you enjoyed this short guide and that it helps you improve your Blender skills. Thanks for watching and see you next time!